Welcome back. You know what time it is. It is real quick review time. Don't know why I'm doing this dance. Okay, let's stop now. All right, today's real quick review is this Pixi Glow Mud Cleanser. So this is supposed to be a deeply purifying cleanser that's supposed to pull out impurities, and it's got the mud in it, and it kind of has that mud kind of type look. And I was actually really excited when I got this. So, side note, a lot of these things I am getting in my Ipsy bag, and if you're not familiar with Ipsy, I encourage you to check it out. I'll include a link below. Real quick overview, $10 a month, 5 products, deluxe size sample products, and a bag, and I think it's awesome. But, okay, moving on. So, I had high hopes for this because I know that mud masks are supposed to really pull toxins and stuff out of your face. So I was like super excited. I was like, great, now I have a mud cleanser that's going to do the same thing. It says that it's going to reveal more radiant and healthy looking skin. And honestly, I felt like it did nothing more than any other cleanser. So there was nothing fancy about it. Didn't do anything better. So while I liked it, this is probably not something that I'm going to buy again because it didn't really do anything that great for me, and I feel like I could get just as good of a clean from some other products, or probably even a better clean from some other products. So my real quick review is just don't waste your money on it. But if you happen to love it, you know, you do you. So let me know in the comments if you give this a try before, if you have another cleanser that you think would be awesome. But as always, have a great day and stay beautiful. Bye.